Hey guys, it's Timo from Flipping Central back here with another video where today I'm going to be showcasing my brand new flip in the Gigabyte Talos E3 Mesh. So the Talos E3 Mesh is a great case and we've done some coverage on it in the past, including a review and a different showcase, but now it's back in Mesh. So this video is not going to be like an outright review, but if you want to watch it, it's going to be in the card in the top right, I think. I don't even know. But yeah. The build itself hosts an Intel Core i3-12100F with 4 cores and 8 threads, which makes it great for 1080p gaming. The motherboard is a Gigabyte B660M DS3H, which is more than enough for this processor and adequate for this PC. The cooler I'll be using is the Thermalright Assassin X 120. It's a pretty high quality tower cooler with a 120mm fan, and it's very quiet. For the RAM, I'm using 16 gigabytes of leave-in RAM. It's clocked at 3200 C16, and yeah. This RAM is about as bare as it gets, but it gets the job done. For the storage, I'm using a 512 gigabyte SSD, and again, nothing special here. For the GPU, I'm using the EVGA RTX 3060 XC. The 3060 is a great card for 1080p, and it has 12 gigabytes of VRAM. For the power supply, I'm using a Great Wall E500 500 watt gold power supply. It's semi-modular as well, and it runs really quiet. Overall, it's very efficient and it has black cables as well. Last but not least, the case for the computer is the Talos E3 Mesh from Gigabyte. Overall, it's a really nice case. It's a lot quieter than you would expect, and the temperatures are a lot better in the mesh model than the original glass model. The 3 RGB fans come pre-installed and they look really nice. But yeah, the parts list out of the way, let's get straight into the montage. So yeah guys, this build looks great and it performed really well while staying cool. Let's get into a roundup real quick while I go over all the prices and then see how much I flipped it for. Alright, so I'll go through the list again and we'll just start from the top. So for the i3-12100F, I paid $48.22 off of Mercari. This was a good purchase at quite a nice price in my opinion. For the motherboard, I paid $60.40 again from Mercari from a different seller. For the cooler, I got the Thermalright Assassin X 120 for $16.98 off of Amazon from a flash sale. For the RAM, it was also purchased on Amazon for $34.97. For the SSD, once again, I just purchased it on Amazon with Prime for $25.99. For the RTX 3060, I bought it from a user in the Flipping Central Discord server, and if you guys are interested, the link is always down below. For the power supply, I got it for free from a friend through a trade. The Gigabyte Talos E3 Mesh was sent out for showcase by Gigabyte. So yeah guys, the entire build cost overall was $386.56 and the build was sold for $637 flat. I feel as though I made like a pretty nice profit on this computer. I feel like it maybe could have sold for more, but I'm not too greedy honestly. I feel like very content with that sale. So yeah guys, that's it for this upload. I know it was a quick one, but I appreciate all of you guys sticking around. If you liked the video, please consider dropping a like and subscribing. If not, let me know how I can improve. Once again, thank you all so much and see ya.